Check out this toffee brown metallic 2011 Volkswagen Jetta, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 29 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, suspension, front shock type, gas shock absorbers, power windows, remote operation, suspension, front shock type, telescopic, suspension, front arm type, lower control arms, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, suspension, rear coil springs, suspension, rear gas shock absorbers, suspension, stabilizer bars, front and rear, power windows, front wipers, intermittent, one-touch windows, daytime running lights, and much more. Have peace of mind in this 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. See us at Culp Car Rentals today.